Hi, this is Grace with WTI. Are you looking for a seatbelt to keep your pup secure while driving in the back seat of your car? You're gonna love this one from Active Pets.
This seatbelt has an elastic shock absorber. It also has an adjustable length of 21 inches to 31 inches. So it does allow your pup to have freedom that it needs in the back seat. It also has a stainless steel buckle, which fits in all standard cars. It also has a 360-degree anti-rust hook, which makes it very easy to attach to either your pup's collar or a harness. What's nice is that it gives it the freedom to still roam around the back seat of your car comfortably. This belt is durable and reliable. It's ergonomically designed. And what I also really loved is that it's made with a high density nylon webbing, which makes that tear resistant. So you don't have to worry about your dog chewing through it.
So I really love this seatbelt. It was very easy to use. My pup felt secure and comfortable in the back. She had plenty of space to roam around. And I think your pup is gonna love this too. And that's just my point of view.